Thank you, Hashem, for the health, for the wealth. Thank you, Hashem, for the family and friends. Thank you, Hashem, for the nights that I spend with the people that I love and the people that I love. Thank you, Hashem, for the life that I live. Thank you, Hashem, for the time that you give. Thank you, Hashem, for the food on my dish, 'cause you bless me from above. Thank you, Hashem, Baruch Hashem. I've been counting my blessings every morning. I wake up and I make sure that I'm praying, 'cause everything I have is from you.